After the last video, I realized that if we're giving away a ticket for free, we shouldn't include the amount of that ticket in our final profit numbers. One option to fix this could be to remove the winner row so that the totals we calculate are correct. The other option is to leave the row in there, but adjust the totals. And if this was an assessment and you did some trialing, you'd have a trialing slide. And one place that can help you with your trialing is W3C Schools, where they've got a try it yourself area where you can use their code, adjust it, see what the code does, and then make some decisions on whether or not that approach is going to work for you. In this case, removing the row could be a problem because it would make it look like the seat hasn't been allocated. It's much better to adjust our total paid and our total profit to show that we have actually removed the amount for the winning ticket. I've committed my working base to GitHub and then made a copy and called it version 3. And my first step is going to be to take where I choose my winner, cut it, and pop it in before we add that dollar amount. I've renamed my variable so that it says ticket 1, and I've also retrieved the profit 1. We can then add in our dollar symbols just like we did before. And after our winner announcement, we can update our total paid and our total profit. Remembering, of course, to put some dollar signs in front of our number. And this only sort of worked because our total paid is incorrect. Happily, it's a super easy fix. All that I did wrong was I went total profit instead of total paid. And in this case, doing a quick test with just one ticket is a great idea because we can immediately see that it works. And we also notice that we do need to fix some of our formatting. So of course I fixed the formatting. To double check that things are working correctly, I'm going to follow an updated test plan where they're all adult tickets and they all pay cash, which means that if we randomly choose any one of our ticket holders, the amount that we need to adjust our total paid and total profit is going to be predictable. And as you can see, when I work through that test plan, the numbers on my screen match the numbers in the test plan, even if the formatting is not all that great. The next step is to work on our output area, and in this case, it's perfectly fine to type up a test plan in Notepad. My idea here is to make sure that what I'm outputting to my user matches what I'm writing to my file. So this was an initial test. And you might have remembered that one of the things in our to-do list is to see if emoji can be written to file. So off camera, I tested it, and as I feared, it failed. And when I removed the emoji, of course, it wrote to file successfully. So what I ended up doing was I updated my write to file structure. And this is a great plan because it shows which headings I need. It's got my panda. It's got my initial total paid and profit, the winner details, and then our adjusted information, which makes it really easy to read. As this video is getting a little bit long, I'll talk you through how we can set up our code so that what the user sees exactly matches what we write to file.